every monster you finish it. Shake quick, son, when you're not up, ya. Too late to when you've been spotted. Drop on the dome, these movies are getting chopped up. This is my mission, I'm dropping words for the author. Trying to bring it life, I'm pushing props up. Water of life, yeah, these guys are getting mopped up. Catching the day, yeah, I fry them like masa. Stepping through the valley, no stopping. Relentless Omega Earth warrior set, so gifted. Setbacks just to represent it. Blood drip on the skull, saving all the sinners. Range microwave, nice and crispy. Didn't know the story, then you just might have listened. Yeah, my team has been lead to this point, and that you forget it. Planet spaceship, I have the will into the never ending. Never start a project, we don't intend to finish that. Secret with your son, you better get it. Some will fall, yeah, due to fitness. Otherwise, restless sleep with no ending. Not a good place, in my opinion. You never knew life without lifting. Now a sorrow, flushed out, good riddance. Follow every order I was sent with before Lennon. Yeah, they flashed me a picture. Northern Minnesota, yo, I found a straight chillin'. Frozen North, home of the wicked witches. Practice evil clone with love, it's never ending. Yellow brick road, yo, son, I came to live it. Always on point, yo, son, I'm never tripping. Band of nations, yeah, we run the fucking engine. Souls made to go, good fuel for the mission. I put with the mana, one connected vision. Defeat, not an option, words become nutrition. Every clue they made, we use back against them. We use back against them. We use back against them. Burn the flying carpet back to ashes with the sound rhythm blow away glow. Yeah, you just don't get it. I'm feeling the drums of those who still dig it. Yeah, I'm feeling the drums and drums of those who still dig it. From tribal rights to dome wizards. Yeah, acceptance is key, yeah, for all still living. And if you got your soul, then behold him. You are the Lord, you are the Lord's children. Well, if you got your soul, then behold, you are the Lord's children.